So this is Unit 26, total and lateral surface area. So it says in the net below, rectangles A, B, C are congruent. Use the net to answer questions 1 and 2. So it says, what shape are the bases of the figure formed by the net? They are triangle. Triangle are the bases. As shown in the net, the rectangles are the blank faces. So since the rectangles aren't the bases, they're going to be called the lateral faces. So everything that's not a base is a lateral face. So it says calculate the area of each shape. Well, the dimensions of A is 5 by 2. So you do 5 times 2, which is 10. B is 5 by 2 as well, which is 10. And then this one is 5 by 2, which is 10. So then it wants to know the area of the lateral surface area. So since you have the area of all 3 of the lateral faces, all you have to do is add it up. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. So your lateral surface area will be 30. Okay, number 3, the diagram below shows the net of a triangular pyramid. Explain the steps to find the lateral surface area of the figure. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to identify, means to find, the base. The reason why you want to identify the base first is that way you know which of the faces are your lateral faces. So the one I shaded in is your base. So that means the 3 surrounding it are your lateral. So next, find the area of the lateral faces and add them up. That's it. All right, number 4, the net of the square pyramid is shown below. What's the area of the base? Well, since the base is a square, it's going to be 3 by 3. So you're going to do 3 times 3, which is 9. So the area of the base is 9. So the area of one lateral face is going to be base times height, divide by 2, since it's a triangle. So you can do 3 times 2, divide by 2, which equals 3. So this is 9. This is 3, this is 3, this is 3, and then this is 3. So do you have to find the total surface area? So you're going to do 9 plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. And when you add them all up, you get 21. All right, number 5. Linda plans to cover each face of the rectangular prism with decorative contact paper. How many square centimeters of contact paper does Linda need? So you're going to find the area of each lateral faces. So I'm going to say that these squares on the ends are going to be lateral. So I'm going to label this A, B, C, D. I'm going to find the area of each lateral face. So A will be just base times height. So the base is 12 and the height's 5. So that would be 60. B is the same rectangle, so the area will be 60 as well. C is the same rectangle, so that would be 60. And D is the same rectangle, so that would be 60. So you add them all up. So when you add it all up, you get 240. So now to find the area of the base. Well, the area of the base is just a 5 by 5, so it equals 25. And since there are 2 bases, you multiply by 2, and you get 50. So the area of your lateral faces are 250, while the area of the bases are 50. And so to find the area total, all you have to do is add it. So you're going to do 240 plus 50, which equals 90. Excuse me, 290. Okay, number 1 on the back says, look at the net below. What is the lateral surface area in square inches of the figure formed by the net? So all you have to do is find the area of the triangles. So I'm going to label this triangle A. I'm going to label this triangle B. The reason why I'm not labeling these is because these are actually the same as the other ones. So we're going to find the area of A, which would be base times height, divide by 2. So the base of A is 6 and the height's 4.5. And then you're going to divide by 2. So when you divide by 2, you get 13.5. And then B, base times height, divide by 2. The base is 4 and the height's 5. divided by 2 is 10. So since there's 2 of each, you're going to multiply this by 2 again. And here you get 27, and here you get 20. So you have to add them together. 27 plus 20 is 47. Okay, last one. Number 4, a sketch of the net of the triangular pyramid shown below. If the base is an equilateral triangle, what is the total surface area of the pyramid? Okay, so you're going to find the total surface area of the pyramid. So the lateral faces are the same. So these 3 triangles are exactly the same. So we're going to do base times height divided by 2. So the base of the lateral is 6 and the height's 10. Divided by 2 is 30. So it means that this triangle is 30, and that means this one's 30, and that this one's 30. So then we're going to find the area of the base. It'll be base times height divided by 2 as well. So the base of the triangle is 6, and the height's 5.2, and then you divide by 2, and when you do that, you get 15.6. So you're going to do 30 plus 30 plus 30. So 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 15.6 gives you 105.6. Okay, remember, if I ever go too fast, you can always pause the video. What I recommend doing is pausing the video and trying the questions for yourselves. The other paper is homework, okay, if you weren't here in class today. Thank you, guys.